Hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy here today to showcase my new to me Sanborn air compressor. This is Menards brand. I'm not sure who actually makes it, but I chose this one. I actually got it used for 150 bucks. Normally close to 350, 310 depending on what it is. Sometimes upwards of 400. They go to 11% off rebate sales all the time, but I chose this one just because it's still mobile if I needed to go somewhere, and I have a big air compressor tank over there to hook into it. It's got a strong duty cycle, so that's why I kind of use it to fill up. This is a 20-gallon tank, and I actually have a 25-gallon tank that I plumb into it to get 45 gallons out of it so it doesn't run constantly. But I liked it because it's the belt drive. You get a nice twin piston pump, so belt drive, it's quieter, not hearing the direct drive pump go. It's a little quieter, especially for doing video work. When it goes off, I can just still kind of talk over it. Highlights to it, it is 110. Still 110, I can run on a regular outlet, and airs up fast, not much else to say about it. It's just the air compressor I chose. That's my little tidbit video for the day. And I'll turn it on so I can show you how quiet it is. Still have a conversation while it's going off. I'm sure you can hear me, but I mean, it's not ungodly loud. It's not ungodly loud. It doesn't have to run for a long time to air up. I mean, we're already at, I was at 25 psi. I'm already at 75. Airs up pretty quick. Max of 135 psi. Goes from there. So, like I said, it's my little new to me compressor. I had a couple people on my Instagram ask me, how I liked it, how I'm using it so far. I've used a cleaning tornado gun. Uses quite a bit of air. This thing isn't, this thing's keeping up with it just fine. And I love the fact that, I have the other tank compressor. So, this is what I have right here, and then, so this tank I have right here, and then I just have a whip hose that's plugged into the direct connect for this tank, and plugs right in. And then I just use the hose off this side, and it creates more air volume, and this has a higher tank PSI than this one does. So I know that even when this one's maxed out, this isn't hitting the limit either. This has got, rated for higher. So I can regulate right on this one, I can regulate down on this one if I need to, and we just get a ton of air. Basically more air volume. I can run bigger tools longer, and gives me just more expansion idea. So I plan on actually eventually building a box outside and enclosing these in a soundproof box, and also getting them outside so that way I can have freedom of space in here and just run some hose reels and stuff here when I'm ready. So that's the plan. We'll see how that goes, see how the wife agrees with it. But yeah, that's the video. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped you, maybe give you an idea. I'm just saying, the Sanborn, I completely like it. It was only a couple months old from the person I bought it from. They just had an unfortunate circumstance and didn't need it anymore. So, again, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.